played around and it got dramatic real quick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I showed you guys what I got in my February Ipsy Glam bag, and I did something a little different. Instead of just showing you guys what I got, I actually used every single product that came in my Ipsy Glam bag this month. So if you guys want to know how I got this look using all my items from my Ipsy Glam bag, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I already went ahead and primed my eyelids with Tarte Shape Tape, and then I applied some powder on top so it doesn't crease. And the first color I'm going to take is from the Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay. I'm going to take this color called Limit and go ahead and throw that on the crease as my first transition shade with my Morphe M504. So I'm just going to go ahead and messily throw this all in the crease. It's just going to be our first transition shade, and I'm going to make sure to go ahead and flick it out to the outer corner as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and take Nooner, which is this other matte shade. It's like a mauve-y pink color. I'm just going to go ahead and throw this on the crease as well with the same brush, and making sure to concentrate on the lower part of my crease and not bring it up so high to my brow bone from the first shade. And then switching brushes, and I'm taking the Morphe 441. I'm taking that same color Nooner, and I'm just going to go ahead and deepen up the crease. This brush is just a little more precise so that I can make sure I get into the crevices. Alright, and that's it for the crease. Now for the lid. Okay, here we go. So in my Ipsy Glam bag, I got this pigment from Marsk Sydney London, and it's in the color Foiled Again, and it's like a really nice like aqua, kind of like teal silver color. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my lid, but I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue and go ahead and carve out my lid space first so that the pigment doesn't get everywhere. Alright, and then before the glue dries, I'm going to take a little bit of that pigment on the back of my cap, flip my brush, and then tap into the pigment. So that's it for the glitter. Now I'm going to go ahead and darken up the outer corner like this side with a very tiny, precise brush like this. This is the Morphe 514. And I'm going to take Dark Side, which is this dark brown shade from the Naked 3 palette. And then for my Ipsy Glam bag, I got this eyeliner from that, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, Trestique, I don't know. I got an eyebrow pencil a few months back, so this time I got a brown eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tight line my waterline as well as my upper lash line with this. I got this Z Skin Winter Skin Hydrating Spray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of use this as a primer and spray my face and see how it is. It says it is a product twice a day to help restore hydration, lift, firm, remove dark spots and scars. Okay, that's a lot of claims. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this and see how it is. Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh, ooh, that's a bad spray. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's janky spray. It's like half, I was gonna say a bad word, but it doesn't spray very well and it doesn't smell very good either. And for foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Natural Beige 220. Foundation on, and in my Ipsy Glam bag, I got the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Age Concealer from It Cosmetic, which I've heard a lot of great things. Hopefully this is my shade. I got medium tan. I think the shade is good. I think so. It might be a shade that I could probably go a shade up, but we'll see. Let me see how I blend it out. It's a very thick concealer, like it's thick and tacky. Whoa. I could definitely go a shade darker. I can definitely go a shade lighter to go ahead and brighten, because this is kind of basically my skin tone right now, and it's covering up everything though. Whoa. Whoa. It is a lot thicker of a concealer, so you just have to make sure you're blending it out, but definitely full coverage. It's not settling into my fine lines, and it blended out like a dream. And the color's actually really good. I could probably go one shade up if I wanted more of a brightening effect, but I think this is good. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with my RC No Color Powder before it creases. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take my Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in 230. I like to go a shade darker because sometimes my foundation is too light, so then I have a darker powder and it balances out. And then to contour, I'm just going to take my Mega Glow contouring palette from Wet n Wild in Caramel Toffee and take the darker color and contour my cheekbones a little bit, just slightly. And then for my Ipsy Glam bag, I also got this blush from Lychee and Gold, and it's in the color. It says Lychee and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush with ginger, lychee, mangosteen, and chamomile extracts. Okay, I guessing there's only one color. Let's smell it. I like to smell things. It's so funny. Oh, it smells like lychee. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. It literally smells like lychee the fruit. Amazing. Ooh. Okay. It's too shimmery for me. I don't like shimmery blushes, and this is like super shimmery. Other side. No. It's still shimmery. Alright, so for lashes today, I'm going to use my Dodo lashes in 119, and you can use my code vnessabeauty right here to go ahead and save you guys some money. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop these on, apply some mascara, lower lash line mascara as well, and then be right back. And last but not least is highlight. Today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Precious Petal Highlight. And for lips, I'm going to take the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Strip and apply that to my lips. Alright, and the last step, I'm just going to take that same hydrating spray and use that to set my face and really melt everything in because we're looking a little bit flat. Alright, let's come on, spray. Oh my god. Alright, so this is the completed look using all the Ipsy items that I got this month for my February glam bag. Of course, the bag itself is so stinking cute. Like, this is me and an Ipsy Glam bag. It's pink, it has lace trim, like it's just so cute. My new favorite bag. The blush from Lychee and Gold, I really like the color. I'm just not a big fan of like shimmery blushes. I could probably use this for like natural days where I just kind of want a really nice like shine on my cheeks, but for other days I probably wouldn't gravitate towards this one. The pigment itself from Mark's Sydney London is super pretty. I mean, just look at it on my eyes. Like, there's nothing else I can say. I think this is going to be a really nice pigment for, like, you know, going out, you know, trying to, like, amp up your look. I think this is awesome. The spray is okay. I think it's cool that it helps kind of, like, reduce scarring and, dark spots. I'll probably finish it up, but the spray itself is just really bad. I might just transfer it onto a different bottle just to use it because I think the product itself is good. The spray is just... it's not the greatest. And then the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer is amazing. I understand the hype. It's so good. My under eyes are nice and concealed. It's so high coverage. It's not caking and it's not like getting into my fine lines. I really like it, and the color is actually pretty spot on. And then last thing in my Ipsy Glam bag was the Tristique eyeliner. This one was okay. It's not as creamy as like my Urban Decay eyeliner, but it did the job, and it's really nice and travel friendly, so I can just like toss it in my bag if I need to. So that was all the products, and this is the look that I came up with. I think it's a little dramatic, but I think it turned out really nice in the end. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias right here, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Bye! I could just sit here like fanning my face. Ow! I just hit my face. It really smells like plant. I feel like I have a big head today. So I use everything in my Ipsy bag, including the little paper. Wow, so good.